Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to name your control objects, which will be the buttons on your calculator and the display of the calculator. So I'm going to open my project, double click on form1.cs. That's going to bring up the design view. And then I'm going to go to each button one at a time and display the properties. So if the properties pane isn't visible, um, you click on the button once and you can right click and go to properties, or you can go to view and just find properties down here and click on that. Alright, so this, let's see, this I'm going well, let's look at the for button. So the name is going to be up at the top if you have all of the properties of the control object sorted alphabetically, which is what I strongly recommend. So you want to sort alphabetically by clicking on the little icon there, and now you're going to go and give the button a mnemonic name that begins with the three-letter lowercase letters BTN. So the obvious choice for button 4 for the 4 key on the calculator is button 4, and then that's all you need to do. Now for keys that do not aren't just digits, you're not allowed to use symbols in variable names, so you're just going to have to describe what the button does in Word. So in words, still with the three-letter prefix and in camel case. So I'm going to call the plus minus button BTN plus minus. All right, then the calculator display, the label, some of you may have a text box. If it's a label, you want to call it something like LBL calc display. So the three-letter prefix is LBL lowercase, and then the rest of it would be camel case. If yours is a text box, which I think a few of yours is, you want to, instead of using LBL, use TXT. So to identify a text box. All right, I hope that helps you name your objects. Remember, you should always name the objects before you start coding or making event handlers.